Hello, and welcome to the premiere episode of The Real Designers of NFM. My name is Andy Shefsky, and each episode I'll be inviting one of my teammates, an expert interior designer, to come in and share some helpful tips on how to make your house into your dream home. We're coming to you from our beautiful showroom and design gallery here in Omaha, and today I've invited Elena Kerwin to come in and talk to us. Elena, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you so much, Andy. You forgot to mention, today you have your favorite interior designer invited to talk to you.
You're definitely amongst the top, one of the leaders. There's many folks tied.
I don't know. Last week when I was giving you directions for your house, you told me you're my favorite, okay?
Oh, you remember that? Okay.
Of course.
Well, we're excited to have you today because I understand you've just returned from Europe as you travel the world to find inspiration and the latest furniture trends to share with all of us. So tell me first, where did you go and what did you find out?
Okay, thank you for remembering that. After Berkshire, I usually take 2 weeks vacations, and usually I go to Europe because I need more inspiration and I need to see what's going on in the world, and I love the latest trends and fashion. And I went to Italy, which is, one of the #1 capitals in the world of fashion for design and anything else that you can name it. And went to Rome, went to the Tuscany Valley, went to Venice, and finally Milan, and that's where you get everything about what's happening in the world. While I was there, I got a little surprised because got a magazine with the latest and the greatest, and this is what it is. You can actually see it. You guys will, And then I put up the magazine of my house that was featured 10 years ago in the Omaha magazine. Look at here, and almost the same idea, which make me think that one of the most important things that I do is I honestly believe in timeless design. I believe in creating things that last for many years and have a lot of character, and pretty much almost everything, as you can see, came from Nebraska Furniture Mart. All the furniture is from Nebraska Furniture Mart, but this little vintage chest that belongs to the family and had been in the family for 150 years, which same thing happened in Europe. They have this amazing contemporary furniture, and then you are going to see something like a timeless piece that make everything to have a lot of character. But yeah, I love showing that, and I was very excited. Now I don't need to change my furniture.
Well, you talk about timeless design. That's exciting because, it is a project, there's a process, and it takes a lot of energy and effort.
Course.
And so when working with a renowned international star such as yourself, that's very valuable. And could you share with me, you talk about timeless design. Every year, though, I'm sure you're identifying maybe some new trends that Europe has to share. What were some of your takeaways that you found?
But basically, when I mean timeless design, there is a lot of trends, but eventually everything comes back because, like, 10 years ago, all my clients wanted to get rid of all the brass, the gold, and go to brush nickel, and I told them, don't do it. And now, when you see everything is brush nickel and gold, and then that's what it is. Eventually, everything comes back. The latest trend in European is just the same thing. It's bringing all the timeless elements and going back to mid-century modern, but at the same time, it's more flexible. It's what makes you feel good. I believe in timeless design. I believe in trends, but I more believe in timeless, something that lasts longer, And the good thing about Europeans are they're incorporating that idea of the timeless design mixed with extremely modern textures and styles and things that are going to the next generation. And we are talking about air-friendly and materials and cleanability and everything that makes our life much better.
Wow, fascinating.
Yes, this is really, really the next step forward where we are going, because it's not just about us, it's about everything, everybody, even including the planet.
Exciting. And Elena, so welcome back, by the way, to North America. Welcome back to Nebraska. And everything that you learned on your trip and previous trips, you're able to share that knowledge and provide advice and suggestions on helping your customers design their homes. So could you tell us a little bit about what the process is like if someone wants to come in and work with a designer such as yourself or one of your teammates?
Yes. And as you mentioned, my main idea is to be prepared to help everybody. My clients, the majority of my clients are like myself. They travel a lot, and they're step forward, and they want to buy furniture for each one of their houses that will last forever. And therefore, that's what we believe, you know what I mean? But we can help everybody, and my idea, and my coworkers too, is help everybody to feel comfortable in their homes and have a very nice life there. The process is very simple. You can call the front desk, you can go to the website, and then you can actually go to the Instagram account of each design gallery has their own, and you can see many of our projects, and many designers have been featured there if you want to learn more about us. And then you just make an appointment at the front desk. They connect you with one of the designers. We have many different levels of services, from, you know, in a store appointment, house calls, consultations, even virtual. I mean, you name it. There is many different ways that we can help everybody here.
Wow. So when you talk about the different levels, is there also, when you think about a cost component, are there some that it's little cost or low? Like, is it, some people might think that working with the designer might be out of their price range.
No, because we go to the basis of Nebraska Furniture Mart. You know that very well. You know, we have furniture for everybody, you know, for every budget. We can have, you know, we help college students, couples that they just got the first home, people that are almost retired. I mean, no, the level of service goes according to the life of the person and their personal budgets.
Great. Well, Elena, I just wanted to say thank you so much for joining me on this premiere episode.
Oh, you are so welcome.
And I want to thank all of you for tuning in, where each episode will be bringing in one of our designers to help show some ideas for all of you. So until next time, this is Andy Shefsky from NFM saying thank you and goodbye.
Thank you.